Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over at the show centre at our Bolney Grange Business Park, right next door to our factory. If you've not been here before, it's really worth making an appointment. Come and have a coffee, meet up with me and Rob, and we'll show you around all of the buildings here. But today I wanted to share with you our J combination store in Black Edition, which is a new addition to the show centre. This is our last day of 2024, and definitely black has been really popular this year, so we're really happy to display a new one of our J buildings here. Along with, we've never shown a combination J at the centre, and that is super popular. So the building itself, or office I should say itself, is a 2.3 by 1.9. That is a perfectly adequate one-person office. As you can see, we've got the heating in there, desk typically to the side. We've done a large desk there with a little bit of furnishing, and at the top there we've got your light, which is a panel light, heating, electrics, internet. You're all set up to go, and you can buy that as a standalone office, looking something like, if I crop it back, something like about there. Now, for a lot of gardens in London particularly, we're taking down a shed. We want the garden storage. This is our combination, so we're adding in a store. This particular one's 1.8 meters wide. We do a 1.5 and we also do a 1.2. So this is an unlined garden store. We add a light and a socket in there as standard, and it is just a perfectly adequate storage, garden storage. You can line and insulate it to add dry storage, but for most people it's just garden store. And what a tidy solution. One building doing the two jobs, combining your office or workspace along with your storage section. So there you go, that's our Black Edition J. 2.3 by 1.9 office with the 1.8 additional store here ready for you to come and see at the centre. Look forward to sharing much more with you in 2025, yeah, hopefully that's something of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and we look forward to seeing you at the centre soon.